Keeping large surfaces clean should not feel like a chore, and this wide head wash brush is designed to make the job faster, safer, and more comfortable. Built for general-purpose cleaning, it allows you to cover more area with each pass while staying gentle on delicate finishes. From boat decks to RV exteriors, this brush helps you achieve a thorough clean without worrying about surface damage. The 7-inch wide brush head is ideal for tackling big jobs efficiently. It reduces the number of strokes needed to clean wide sections, helping you save time and effort during routine maintenance. Soft bristles are carefully selected to lift dirt, salt, and grime while remaining safe for vinyl, teak, canvas, fiberglass, and painted surfaces. This balance of cleaning power and surface protection makes it suitable for frequent use. A non-marking perimeter bumper surrounds the brush head to help prevent accidental scuffs or scratches when working close to edges or tight areas. This added protection is especially valuable when cleaning boats and other vehicles where finishes need extra care. The dark blue color gives the brush a clean, professional appearance and makes it easy to spot among your cleaning gear. Designed for compatibility with fixed-length or adjustable-length multi-purpose handles, this brush head adapts to your preferred setup. Whether you need extra reach for decks and hull sides or more control for closer work, pairing it with the right handle allows you to clean comfortably and efficiently. Many users find it especially useful for scrubbing swim platforms and deck areas where buildup can accumulate quickly. If you are looking for a dependable wash brush that combines wide coverage, gentle cleaning, and thoughtful design, this brush head is a smart addition to your maintenance routine. Click the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel for more practical cleaning tools and product recommendations to keep your boat, RV, or vehicle looking its best.